Hi, this is Jill. I was coming to you this morning to show you how I redid the dividers in the Mom Life Mini. I purchased the Mom Life Mini because I did like the layout, um, but even though I am a mom, my child is almost 20. He'll be 20 in October. So I didn't feel like the dividers really spoke to me as far as I didn't think they were very inspirational or they just didn't appeal to me. So I watched a video on YouTube from Megan at Megan's Plans, and I had already thought about switching out the dividers with something from a different planner. And I purchased another Faith planner thinking I would just switch the dividers out with that one. But then she spoke about using stickers and journal cards to redo the dividers. So that's what I tried to do, and I just wanted to show you what I came up with. So January's, it says nap time is my favorite, or is my happy hour. I didn't feel like that one really spoke for a mom. That could be just about anybody, so I did go ahead and leave that one as is. Now this one, for February, it was like an orangish background, and it had Mom Hair Don't Care on it, and I didn't really like that one, so I just took a piece of scrapbook paper and cut it to fit the divider, and punched it with my Happy Planner punch, and then glued it to the front of that divider, so that way I'm not messing with the monthly page that's on the other side. It's still the same original monthly page, and I just changed the divider itself. So that was just a piece of scrapbook paper that I had out of a scrapbook paper pack that I just adhered to the front of that one. This one had a coffee cup that said Mom Fuel, and I loved the coffee cup, but wasn't really ecstatic about the Mom Fuel thing on there. So I found this sticker in the Happy Girls sticker book that says Ugh to the Mondays, and that really said a lot more to me than the Mom Fuel did. So I just stuck that sticker over where it said Mom Fuel and left the rest as is. And that was for March. April's was fine. There wasn't really any sayings on there, so I just left the geometric thing. May was okay. Let's skip Monday and go straight to Fun Day. That wasn't really a mom only type quote, so I just left that one. This one had like a divider or diagonal thing here that said, I don't even remember what it said, something about mom's life. I don't even remember what it said. But anyway, it had something to do with mom on it. So I just found a piece of scrapbook paper that I thought would go well with the colors that were already on the divider, and cut it to a diagonal, punched it with my Happy Planner punch, and then I glued it on the side, the bottom, and this side here, but then I left it open here so you could use it as a pocket if you needed to. And that's what I did for June. July, I left alone. It says, if you think my hands are full, you should see my heart. I thought that one wasn't just a mom specific divider, so I left that one alone. This one said world's okayest mom. And again, I wasn't really thrilled with that one. So I am a photographer. So in the Happy Girls sticker book, I found this pink camera, and I used that to cover up the word mom, so it's world's okayest photographer or camera person, whatever. But that's how I changed that one. That was for August. For September, it said down here hashtag mom life, and I liked the girl with the planner. I wasn't too thrilled about the mom life, so I just took some of these flower stickers out of the Happy Girls sticker book and used them to cover up where it said mom life, hashtag mom life down at the bottom, and left that. This one had a quote about moms, but I don't remember what it was. And I just took this journal card and punched it with the Happy Planner punch and just glued it over the quote that was on this one. And I thought it went well because the hello was kind of a greenish color that matched the green on this divider. And that was for October. For November, it was another quote that said Supermom on it with a coffee cup. And, you know, I wasn't thrilled with that, so I found this journal card that said Amore, and I punched it and glued it to the front where it said Supermom, and then I added a little coffee cup from the Happy Girls sticker book to it. And then December had a quote that said, losing my mind one kid at a time. And again, I wasn't too thrilled with that, so I found this larger journaling card that the colors kind of went with what was already on the page. And I just punched it with my Happy Planner punch and glued it to the front to cover up the quote. But anyway, that's what I did with my Mom's Life Happy Planner. And I did change out the cover because I wasn't thrilled with the cover itself. So this is a cover front off of one of the Happy Notes planners, and I may switch it with something else too. I just haven't found one that I really like. So anyway, that is what I did to change out the dividers for the Mom Life Mini Happy Planner to make it more generic. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you'd like to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and you will be notified whenever I upload anything new. So have a great day and a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.